Now, seeing yourself in a dream where you lost your bike or motor car is not actually a good dream. It means a lot of things. But the simplest way to define or to explain to you the meaning of that dream is that you are going to lose something very special to you in real life. Now, when I talk of something very special to you, it could mean anything. Anything can be so special to you. But the most important special thing that thing means is you losing your power. There's a particular spiritual power you have that is being taken away from you or that is being manipulated by the enemy, and you might not actually know, or you might be having feelings, but you will not want to read meaning into that feelings you are having. Again, some people must have had this dream maybe one time or two times some time ago in the past. Some people, you have had this dream again presently. Some people, you are having this dream constantly, and maybe sometimes when you wake up you feel like, this is just dream. Or maybe there are some people that they don't even have car, they don't have bike in real life, but they are having this kind of dream in their dream. Then when they wake up in real life, because they don't have car or bike or even bicycle physically, they will be like, what kind of dream is this? Since I don't have bike or I don't have bicycle or I don't have car, why am I dreaming losing car or bike in the dream? Which means it means nothing. It does not mean that because you saw it in your dream as a car or a bike, it does not mean that you are going to lose your car or bike if you don't have car or bike. It means that there's some spiritual power in you that enemy is trying to manipulate or take away from you, or even make that spiritual power to be silent. So you will do the good you will do yourself. It's for you to run. If you know what is good for you, if you can pray, pray. If you know how to do aja, for that manipulation of the enemy not to come out physically or even spiritually, for it not to manifest in your life. Because if you allow such thing to manifest in your life, and you are not a strong person, before you can be able to retrieve or bring back that kind of thing that you have lost, it might take time. And as day passes by, time is also passing. So that is something that you wouldn't want it to manifest in your life. So if you have that kind of a dream, I know some people might be so eager for me to say, okay, Nne, what is the real solution to this? Number one solution to it is for you. First of all, I'm going to tell you something now. Let me tell you the most important thing in your life. Whenever you have a bad dream and you wake up, first thing you will do is for you to reverse that bad dream with the words of your mouth. Everybody have their own spiritual powers. It's just that you are not, you don't want to pay attention to yourself. Whenever you have a bad dream, the first thing you should do when you wake up from the dream is for you to reverse that dream with the words coming out from your mouth. That should be your number one first aid you should do before running around to meet your spiritualist. It could be your pastor, it could be your DBL, it could be your anybody that you know that is your spiritual person. Go to that person. The person will tell you what to do immediately. Number one thing to do is for you to find out the spirit behind that manipulation. If you are able to find out the spirit behind the manipulation, solution will be so easy for you. Like I said, I don't believe in telling you, okay, go and do this, go and do that. Find out the spirit, so that when you appease that spirit behind that particular manipulation, the spirit will not come back again. But if you rely on this quick solution, okay, go and get a basket, you put a black cloth, you put this, you put that. When you do that, that is not the final solution, because you did not know the actual spirit that came for that manipulation. It will still return back again. So the best thing you will do for yourselves is find out the spirit behind it. That is the number one step, taproot to finding the solution. I still remain your one and only Adandigbo and Adandigbo lifestyle. If you love what I do here, ọ bụrụ na ife na-eme ebe a masị gị, nyelu m aka ka ịpịnye aka n'aka ịfụnanya, zọnyekwu na ngalaba okwu ma tụsaalụ m ozi a, isonyelu m, pịalụ m aka, sonyelu m n'ihu akwụkwọ a. Echefukwana na Adandigbo, ife anyị na-asụ ebe ahụ bụ Igbo. Ebe a nụnwa bụ Adandigbo lifestyle, si ife anyị na-asụ bụ oyibo maka ụmụnne anyị ndị na-anaghị anụ Igbo. Anyị ga-enyelu ha aka. Unu afụgodu ka ọ na-adụ nkụzicha na ada ndị gboo, mbịakwa ebe a kụzie ka anyị wee mafụ na anyị kpọkọtara mmadụ niile wee duru ha na-aga. Ka emesịanụ, echefukwana isonyere anyị mana ada ndị gboo mana ebe a bụ ada ndị gboo lifestyles. Ka emesịanụ, bye.